Hello folks, we're going on a little adventure today. We're going over to Carolyn's mom's. Going to plant a little bit of a garden for her, or help her plant it there. And we'll show you a little bit of the scenery as we're heading that way. We'll be taking you through Boone, North Carolina. We'll show you that there, Lord willing, when we get over there. Let's get started. Well, we've got some bees coming back. Maybe Jay will catch him a swarm here, I hope. There's a bunch of bees flying around. Maybe there'll be a swarm when we get back. Alrighty folks, we're getting ready to head up here into Boone. Yeah, there is quite a few ski slopes around. Now, when we get over here, what we'll be going through is the old part of Boone. It was incorporated in 1872, I believe. The town was named after Daniel Boone. And also over here, Appalachian State University. Just our luck. Now next weekend, Tipper from Celebrating Appalachia, she's going to be over here at the Mass General Store with a book signing next Saturday. Hopefully, Lord willing, we'll make it over here to it. Or if we don't make it to that one, they're going to be having one later in the day at the Sugar Grove Mass General. Hopefully, one of them will make it to next week. This is the old part of Boone. They got slow red lights, don't they? There we go. And I'll show you down here the Mass General Store that she's going to be at. Oh, you okay, guys? Didn't mean for you to tip over. Oh, Pickens up here in just a second to show you the Mass General Store. Like I said, this is a college town. Busy little place. part of the college on to the right over here.
Okay, everybody, we made it to my mom's. Here's my littler brother Jacob. I should say my younger brother. And here's my beautiful mom.
Did you get Jake in it?
Yep, got Jacob. All right, let's get started.
That's the same way.
Yep, that'll work. Is that okay, Mama?
Yeah.
You got nothing covered up, do you?
Nothing's covered up, is it?
It come back in.
Oh,
We've got, how many's there? Three little. We should have. Oh, you've only got some.
just to hit a rock there, folks.
most rocky place I ever seen in my life.
We've got eels at the house, run into them all the time.
That wasn't his real name.
Yeah.
But that's what they called him. Radar. So you'll have to come over and have to help your plant in a minute.
Alrighty. Just like clockwork, it's starting to rain. Come on, gals, get busy. Right now what they're doing, they're placing the plants out to where we're going to be digging the holes. She's going to see how she wants them first, and then we'll go and then we'll cut and dig the holes. I gotta run over here to the car and get some pot and soil mix. Will be when we dig the hole there, putting a little bit of dirt on top of them.
Made me one of those. I don't know what for, but
She'd be playing.
Ourselves,
She'd be playing with fire, Jacob. You better watch her.
Then you can get the butane to fill it up there.
Yep. Me and Daniel found that at the thrift store. We got it for Doug a few years back. Well, how much was it? Just
It wasn't much. It was
$8, I think. It's an
$6.
old one. Come here,
Come
Daniel.
here.
Come
You
on,
get
baby.
wrapped, unwrapped from Mama's legs, you'll tear them up.
Love it, baby.
Come on.
And it's the perfect size for this.
well, they used to have all kinds of tools and stuff there at that one thrift store or antique store, whatever you want to call it.
Take
Down
that
there
cup
below,
and get a little bit of dirt.
And here you go, everybody. Doug's got all these planted. And there she'll have her some tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.